Okay, here's the train of death, which doesn't surprise me here in Napoli because there's a death cult and they have taken care of all the skulls and the bones and the crypts, you know, where that's all taking place. And also the American version of Skull and Bones is all over the place, you know, all the t-shirts and the rap music, just the whole culture has invaded and permeated all over the world. And I mean, you can't believe what I heard on the radio. It's just amazing. Oh, and probably the minority is without tattoos these days. So, you know, it's all about death, marking, you know, all that sort of thing. Okay, I could be more clear about what I want to express, but I've been out all day. Anyway, I wanted to catch this, so to show you. Anyway, this is Naples, Italy, August 22nd, 2015. Bye for now. God bless. And Jesus lives. He's about life, not about death. He's about love, not about death and hate and destruction. Bye for now. God bless everybody.